Hello viewers, welcome to Mathematics Lab with Mr. Major. We have a question on the board that still borders around the basic theorems of a triangle. The question says that two exterior angles of the triangle below, which is this one, are 120 degree and 140 degree as shown. So this is an exterior angle, 140 degree. This is an exterior angle, 120 degree. Now we are now asked to calculate the values of the three angles of the triangle. The values of the three angles of the triangle. That means we are asked to calculate the values of the interior angles, which are this angle, and this angle. No labeling was given to us, so we are at liberty to choose any letter of our choice. I'm going to use letter D. So letter D for this angle. Then I'm also going to use letter C. So let me use letter C for this angle. And then lastly, we will use maybe letter E for this angle. So we have CDE. These are the interior angles of the triangle. How do we now go ahead and solve them? It's very cheap. Let me start with angle C. We know that this is a straight line. So if this is a straight line, it then means that the sum of these two angles here is 180 degrees. Now, since the sum of the angles on a straight line is always 180 degrees, we now say C plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And the reason is angles on a straight line. That means our C will be equal to 180 degrees plus 120 coming this way is minus 120. And 180 minus 120 will give us 60 degrees. So angle C is 60 degrees. The next one is angle D. Now, again, we have a straight line here. So that means these are angles meeting on a straight line. That means D plus 140 degrees is also 180 degrees angles on a straight line. Now, we collect our like terms. We have D equal to 180 degrees. Now, plus 140. Moving to this side becomes minus 140 degrees. That means our D is equal to 180 minus 140 will give us 40 degrees. So we've gotten C to be 60. We've gotten D to be 40. We can now look for the third eternal angle now, since we already know 2. Now, we know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180, meaning C plus D plus E is 180. So we state it out, C plus D plus E equal to 180 degrees. Reason, you state the reason in a bracket, angles in a triangle. Now, we now substitute. We know C to be 60 degrees. We know D to be 40 degrees. So we substitute 60 plus 40 plus E is not known. So plus E equal to 180 degrees. These two added together will give us 100 degrees. So we have 100 degrees plus E equal to 180 degrees. The next thing we do is to collect our like terms. So we have E equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. Meaning our E is equal to 180 minus 100 is 80 degrees. So these are the three angles of the triangle. The question says we should calculate the values of the three angles of the triangle. So we must also present our answer in that same form. So we say, therefore, the values of the three angles of the triangle are 60 degrees, 40 degrees, and 80 degrees. This is our answer. So please, if you are coming across this channel for the very first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel so that you can be having notifications as I continue to drop videos, because I can assure you more videos will be dropping. This is the best channel for you to prepare for your exams, whether internal examinations, whether external examinations. And I welcome questions, please. So if you have any question to ask, do well to drop it in the comment section. And I can assure you that once I see your question, I will definitely respond to you. Like the video, share it, and then subscribe. Bye.